Hi kids! Do you know how to multiply a two-digit number by two-digit number using the traditional method? Ang traditional method ay ang tinuturo sa school upang makapag-multiply. Pero, alam niyo ba may ibang paraan upang mas mabilis na gawin ang multiplication even if it is a two-digit by two-digit number? Pero hindi yan ang ating pag-uusapan, kundi ang traditional method of multiplying a two-digit number by two-digit number. Let's go! Sa susunod na video, ang shortcut of multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers. Ito na ang traditional method of multiplication. Let's start from the rightmost digit. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write 8 on the ones place. The next step is to multiply 1 and 4, and that will be 4. Write 4 at the tens place. Therefore, 12 times 4 equals 48, and that is the product. For our second example, we have 12 times 7. Step 1. 2 times 7 equals 14. Since the result is a two-digit number, we will write 4 and then carry 1 to the tens place. The next step is to multiply 1 and 7. Plus 1 is equal to 8. Write 8 on the tens place. Therefore, 12 times 7 is 84. By the way, 12 and 7 are factors, while 84 is the product. IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.